welcome back to another story time with Miss Ashley and Adam. Today's book is Stop Snoring, Bernard by Zachariah Ohora. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Friends, real quick, otters are one of my favorite animals because when they take a nap, if you look at the pictures, they hold hands so they don't float away from one another. Is that not adorable? But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Gills had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. He looks angry. Oh.
I don't know that.
Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Oh, he got yelled at by an alligator. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Oh, he got yelled at by the giraffes. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Oh, look, who's going to yell at him? You can see their feet. Who has feet like that?
Elephant.
Let's see if he's right. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Oh, he did get yelled at by an elephant and a baby elephant. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all throughout the night. Look, they're all yelling, "Bernard! Bernard!" The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night, and now we are trying to sleep, so please don't snore here." Oh, poor Bernard. Bernard felt terrible. Look at him, he's crying. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate, but then he heard something. What did he hear? It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Gills, "and I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back." They missed him. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. "Good night, Bernard." And look, they're holding hands. Oh, friends, they were all yelling at Bernard that he was snoring too loud and keeping them up. And then they couldn't sleep without his snoring. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you. United We Read for Kids. Head Start sticks together. Bye.